Hare Krishna. I'm going to read a message that Srila Bhakti Raghava Maharaja has written for the inauguration of the Ayodhya Ram Mandir, January 22, 2024. So I am reading. Today, January 22, 2024, the inauguration of the Ayodhya Ram Mandir is actually of monumental importance, not only for the residents of Ayodhya Dham, not only for the citizens of Bharat, but indeed for the entire world. In many ways, it is a forerunner for what the whole world is anticipating, for what the entire world needs, a revival and reinstallment of the Vedic culture. Thousands, rather hundreds of thousands, actually millions of Ram Bhakta, which naturally include Krishna Bhaktas, are anticipating this historical moment. We should all be rejoicing that after so many centuries, this historical birthplace of Lord Ramacandra is being reinstated in its original glory. Therefore, devotees should take pride and inspiration for such an historical event. It means that the way of dharma, the Vedic way, sanatana dharma, is making a significant impact. Again, not only for Bharat, but it is a sign for the entire world. So, we wish good fortune to all the followers of sanatana dharma, to all the Ram Bhaktas. May this event today serve as an inspiration to all of us to take more seriously the mission of the Lord. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya sadhuskritam dharma samstha panartaya sambhavami yuge yuge. This is being supported by the government of Bharat and by so many organizations and individuals. So, we pray for the mercy of Lord Ramacandra to be bestowed widely and profusely, so that for generations to come, we can again remain inspired in pushing forward this global agenda. This actually is meant to be the global agenda, the re-establishment of sanatana dharma. This is actually meant to be the global reset for all of us who are Krishna devotees, who are Ram Bhakta, are looking forward to. Shri Sitaram Lakshman Hanuman Ki Jai, Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai.